on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we got a couple random things to do. First off, the ceramic coat just got put to the use today because it was downpouring all day. And I mean, look, there's not a spot of water on it. I mean, the ceramic coat did its job, that's for damn sure. But we're actually gonna go ahead and Surrey glass these windows again because you can see some water spots. We're gonna Surrey glass the window, and then I'm gonna ceramic coat the windows because I didn't do that. So I just have like a very tiny bit left. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm also gonna go ahead. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, but in this video, we're gonna take care of my brother's car over here. He's got, I mean, it's pretty bad. We've got to try to fix those 3 spots, and yes, don't give me shit, I'm gonna Bondo them, but they just need to be fixed for now. It doesn't have to be permanent, but we gotta do something about it because it's starting to look really bad. But yeah, you can see all the dirt that was on the mirror, but there's nothing on the truck. It's wonderful. I absolutely love this ceramic coat so far, and yes, I know it's only been on here for like 2 days or whatever, but it's worked perfectly so far, so I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and then you guys can watch me buff this window, I guess. So yeah.
Tell me, can you see the stars? We're just running forward in the dark. You knew just what my soul needed. 2 hearts, we share the same beating. Is this what it feels like? Coming back to real, coming back to real life. Give me the daydream. Don't wanna miss a thing, so still wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder. Is this even real? Don't wanna miss a thing, so still wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder. Is this even real? Is this even real? I just wanna see the stars. Oh, and every step I take is in the dark. You knew just what my soul needed. The only thing that kept my heart beating. Is this what it feels like? Coming back to real, coming back to real life. Give me the daydream. Don't wanna miss a thing, so still wide awake.
Alright, so that is going to do it for this halo ceramic coating. It's done on the entire truck now. I just did this little square that I missed here earlier too. It was very annoying. I was driving, and I realized that I'd missed a little square because all the water was beading everywhere else. As you can see, the water's beading very easily, right? Oh, it didn't. There it is. The water beads off of everything else but this little square. The water was just sitting, so I went and I cleaned that little square off, and then I did it. But you can see how well it's working. All the water is just sitting on it. Look at that. Very cool. Very, very cool. Yeah, I'm loving it. So yeah, we'll see where this video takes us next. It'll probably be the next day when I'm working on my brother's car, trying to get that started, but who knows? Well, I'll see you guys then. We're back out here the next day, and I'm gonna go ahead and start at this one corner right here on the door first. This one is the worst of the 3. There's that one, then there's this one, and then there's in that corner that's not rusted through yet. But I'm gonna throw you guys up, and I'm just gonna let you guys see just me sanding this little area on how bad it really is over here. I'm gonna start with a hand sander, and then I'm gonna bust out the electric one once it's ready. So yeah, we'll get to it.
Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder. Is this even real?
Made some progress here. I got the inside of the door over here too, but for now I'm just gonna skip ahead to when I got this like sanded down to the point where I can Bondo it. Reoccurring theme that we're working into the night, basically every video now. I guess it's just my thing. So, you know, it's getting dark now, and we're still down here working. This corner's starting to shape up. I just gotta sand it to make it look even. We don't have the paint right now, so it's just gonna be left like this. I just did this one down here. I just gotta sand this up and make it look halfway decent. And then we're just gonna, I might throw a layer of primer on it and just leave it for now, but until we get the paint. So yeah, we'll see where we get from. So that is gonna do it for tonight. I just took the air compressor and blew everything off, but I mean, it's just gonna sit like this for however long, couple days maybe. I just gotta smooth that one out a little bit more. This one's pretty good. That one's just gotta get smoothed out around the edges and make it flush with it, and then it won't be a problem. I'll go ahead and primer, then paint them and clear coat them or whatever, and they're little spots, so they won't be too noticeable. But yeah, I guess we're just gonna jump into the next project probably either tomorrow or 2 days from now, so I'll see you guys then. All right, so we're back out here a couple days later now. You know, some time went by. I just took the truck and got it washed. It's looking really nice. Ceramic coating did amazing. Came out really well. I mean, you can still see me in it. It was very, very easy to do. Love it. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and put this car up on jack stands, and I'm gonna take apart the e-brake system on this, and then we're gonna lubricate it up because this truck is known for having issues with that. And this back wheel was very like hot, and I have a feeling that this e-brake might be catching a little bit and it squeaks. So we're gonna take a gander into that and we'll see where it leads us. All right, so we just got some anti-seize. We just had this whole assembly off along with the other side over there, and we lubed up this little lever right here so that this e-brake wasn't stuck, because I'm pretty sure this was my problem. But yeah, I think we should be all good now, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I went and I picked up my ball joint and control arm assemblies, so I can do that tomorrow. So that'll be another video of putting on the leveling kit and changing the ball joint. So yeah, from here I don't know where we're gonna really go, but we'll skip ahead to some point. All right, so we just dropped the truck back down its wheels. Over here we got some tape for my fender, and then upper ball joints, and then these are control arm assemblies. So let me show you this, because they actually don't sell just the regular ball joint, so I get the whole you know what. So that's how that works. And yeah, this will all be going on tomorrow when I have this going on, my level kit. So I mean, I guess that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I don't know if Jake ever added his part to this video or not, but I guess we'll find out. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you drop a like down below, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.